Awesome. Vishal, one second. You have not managed to...
This is Santosh Nayar's personal guarantee. ये मरवाना नहीं है?
इधर इवेंट है, इसको समझाओ कौन है ये, क्या चल रहा है ये, दिमाग खराब हो रहा है, लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं इधर, क्या म्यूजिक चल रहा है, क्या करना है छुट्टी को, मंडे को क्या करोगे छुट्टी करके? तो 1 बजे आओ, चलेगा लंच करके.
Thank you so much for showing up for UTMS, which is Unlock the Money Secrets, day number 1. You are the hero of your life, and you are going to have 2 journeys. One journey is to growth, second journey is to contribution. And in that, you are going to change as a person. If you are not ready to change yourself into different things, then you will not survive.
We live in a world full of abundance. We actually live that way. We were born that way. But all these small little things, because of the experiences that we've gathered over the years, they stop us from experiencing that abundance. And wealth building is just that. Feel abundant and think abundant.
उगते सूरज सब सलाम करते, ये सुनो, हमें लगता है कि कोई हमारी इज्जत नहीं कर रहा जब तक हम सक्सेसफुल नहीं हैं. तो जब तक आप सोसाइटी में कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करेंगे, वैल्यू ऐड नहीं करेंगे, सोसाइटी आपको सलाम नहीं करेगी.
So this was day 1 of UTMS, Unlock the Money Secrets. We had a complete different energy, high energy, and we are doing at Jio, so एक अलग ही वातावरण है क्योंकि usually we do at Sahara Star, but this is great venue, great arrangement, and people had so much fun.
Change is never a matter of your intellect. It's always a subject of your ability. आपके पास ability है change करने की, आपके पास motivation है change करने का. It's all about that. क्योंकि सिर्फ intellect से किया ना, सोचा तो फिर कुछ नहीं होगा.
जो अपने आप को री इन्वेंट करने के लिए रेडी है कि ठीक है, मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया, लॉस हुआ, और जो भी है, अब मैं अपने आप को रीवायर करने के लिए रेडी हूं क्या. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग.
So right now I am on day 2 of UTMS. मेघना पीछे एक मेडिटेशन प्रोसेस करा रही है जो पौने घंटे से चल रहा है और 700 लोग खड़े खड़े वो मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं और उसका जो प्रोसेस है इट्स लाइक रिलीजिंग योर बिलीफ सिस्टम, नेगेटिव बिलीफ, और वो जड़ से निकलता है विच इज़ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. and most of them are in tears. Most of them are releasing so many. You can see the howling and the sound which is coming out is crazy. See, this is the kind of work we do in these programs where we work on your subconscious mind, we work on your belief system. It's not about trading strategy, it's not about RSI or candlestick, it's about how you look at the market, how you think about yourself, how you think about money, and how you can work on the blueprint which we got knowingly, unknowingly from our parents and teachers, but we need to work on that so that the same simple strategy can make money for us. So look at this environment and this energy source also.
No matter how much spiritual or religious you are, we are living in a financial world. यहाँ पे प्यार मोहब्बत से नहीं होता है, पैसे से काम होता है. So we have to deal with the money. So why not make that money so that we don't have to worry about money?
First rule of money. When you don't respect it, it never stays with you. Second rule of money. Once it goes, it takes a lifetime to come back. Third rule of money. Whenever you want to make money, there has to be an introspection. The fourth rule of money. When you're in the process of making money, तो आपको उन लोगों के साथ भी काम करना पड़ता है जिन्हें आप पसंद नहीं करते. But that's part and parcel of money.
Nothing can take your energy and your vibration and your aura down if you continue to practice gratitude in your life.
So this is day 3 of UTMS, Unlock the Money Secrets. अंदर 1000 लोग हैं जो लोग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, मनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, वेल्थ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, माइंडसेट, बिलीव्स, हैबिट्स, मेडिटेशन, all that is happening. This was an amazing feeling doing this program with me, Meghna, and we had some guest speakers. It was such an amazing experience, and you can see the vibes here at Geo, plus all the people inside. We had an amazing time. So make sure you are also there in the next UTMS, which is Unlock the Money Secrets. Don't miss it for anything. Thank you.
Beautiful. I want you to open your eyes, feeling the exhilaration. Just open your eyes, spread your arms out wide, and make a dance of joy and love and appreciation. Hug 5 people around you, just hug them, feel them, spread the love and joy and appreciation. Come on! The love multiplies only when you give it to one another. Hug 5 people around you all. Feel the love multiplying. Go. Find 5 people to hug each other. If you come with someone, hold them tight into your arms.
जो गुमशुदा सा ख्वाब था वो मिल गया, वो खिल गया, वो लोहा था पिघल गया, खिंचा खिंचा मचल गया, सितार में बदल गया, रूबरू रोशनी.
So if you are someone who is wanting to get to another level of life, wherever you're belonging at the moment, I would invite you to unlock the money secrets. Come and discover कि अलॉन्ग विद स्किल बिल्डिंग के साथ जब आप अपने इंटरनल वर्ल्ड, अपनी वेल्थ रिलेशनशिप और वेल्थ माइंडसेट से काम करते हैं, अपनी वेल्थ माइंडसेट के ऊपर काम करते हैं, तो कैसे आप एक्सेलरेटेड सक्सेस हासिल कर सकते हैं. कम एंड एक्सपीरियंस इट फॉर योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज अनलॉक द मनी सीक्रेट्स इज एन एक्सपीरियंस इन इटसेल्फ.